Akkad Bakkad.
Children, today we will read a story about Alice learned a lesson.
Today we will read the story about Alice learned a lesson.
There was a girl named Alice.
There was a girl named Alice.
She never shared her things with her friends.
She never shared her things with her friends.
One day, she went for a school picnic.
One day she went for a school picnic.
She had brought cherries for lunch.
She had brought cherries for lunch.
Suddenly, she fell down,
Suddenly she fell down
dropped all her cherries.
and dropped her all cherries.
She started crying as she was very hungry.
She started crying as she was very hungry.
Her classmate Tina said to her,
Her classmate Tina said to her,
"Don't cry. You can have my sandwiches."
"Don't cry, you can have my sandwiches."
Alice felt ashamed of herself
Alice felt ashamed of herself
as she never shared her things.
as she never shared her things.
She realized that she should also share her things.
She realized she should also share her things.
Moral: sharing is caring.
Moral: sharing is caring.
Bye bye, children. Like, share, and
Subscribe.